Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Have you ever wanted to chat with AI characters that feel like they're part of an interactive story? So, whether you're into roleplay, creative writing, or simply talking to AI companions, Emochi AI is one of the fastest growing platforms for immersive AI conversations. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Emochi AI, from creating an account to chatting with characters and even building your own custom AI bot. So let's get started. For step number one is we are just going to sign up for an account. So we just have to visit the Emoji AI website, this one. And then when you found the website, you just have to simply tap on it. And then after that, you will be asked to sign up or sign in with an account. So you can use your Google account or your email. Okay, so after that, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can browse thousands of AI characters created by both the emoji team and the community. So next one is we are going to explore the AI characters. So we have those right there. So we have the explore section, the trending section for premium, today, romance, drama, so something like that. We also have for school, adventure, slice of life, fantasy, and you can also use the search bar to look for specific characters, franchises, or themes that interest you. So you have the search bar right here at the top right. Okay, so each character has its own personality, backstory, and conversation style. So no two chats are exactly alike. Next one is we're just going to start our first conversation. So choose a character that interests you and um clicked on it. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to proceed with the school section. Okay, so for example, this one, just simply tap on that specific character. Okay, so after that, you will be taken to the chat screen where the AI introduces the scenario. Okay, and instead of asking simple questions, you can try writing descriptive responses. For example, instead of saying hi, you could write something like, "Hi, I just arrived here. Just arrived in town. I heard um you know this place better than anyone," so something like that. Okay, so after typing out your message right here, you just have to simply send that to the character that you're talking to. So of course, providing more context usually leads to richer and more engaging conversations. Okay, next one is we can use the role play formatting. So if you're using emoji for storytelling or role playing, it is helpful to separate actions from dialogue. So for example, a smile spreads across my face as I enter the room. So good morning, I've been looking for you. Many experienced users find that this style helps the AI distinguish actions from spoken dialogue, making the conversations feel more natural. Okay. So next one is creating your own AI character. So one of the Emoji's most popular feature is the ability to build your own custom bot. So yeah, just have to select the option to create a character. So you'll typically be asked to provide character name, profile, and all that. So to create your own character, you just have to go to the me section. Okay, this one. And then you'd be able to see this create a new character option. So simply tap on it. So we have two modes right here. We have quick mode and the expert mode. So I'm just going to select the quick mode. Okay, that's right. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. So again, you'll typically be asked to provide the character name, the profile image, personality, the backstory of this character, greeting message, scenario, and tags or categories. Okay, so you just have to, describe the character you wish to create. So, for example, um, lonely boy, with sad story about having a broken family. All right. Okay, and then after that, if you have an, you know, image reference, you can also upload that right here. And then you just have to choose your image style. That's right. Okay, so for example, I want this one. And then after that, you just have to tap on the continue option. Okay, after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So, yeah, the more detailed your character description is, the more consistent the AI can stay in character throughout the conversations. And of course, premium plans also offer additional customizations such as extended character bios and custom modal instructions. Okay, so let's just wait. So once the character is generated, you just have to choose a bot image. Okay, so I think this one is the perfect for the character I described. After that, you just have to tap on the next option. Okay, so here you can edit the name for this one. For example, I'm just going to name this one as Koi. All right, and then you can add here the intro, the personality, and then the welcome message. Okay, then after that, for the permissions, we have that right here, and then the tags, and then the scenario. So here you also have the example conversations, and then you just have to choose the voice for your bot. Okay, so we have here so many voice format that we can choose. And then after that, you just have to tap on the next option. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to publish your character. Okay, so again, depending on your plan, Emochi lets you customize several aspects of the chat experience. So this may include response length, creativity level, voice messages, and more. Okay, and then, of course, we are going to understand the memory. Like many AI chat platforms, Emoji may eventually lose track of earlier parts of a long conversation. So, just, a simple way to help the AI remember important details is to naturally summarize previous events. For example, remember when we escaped the castle yesterday and promised me to meet at sunrise? So, something like that. And of course, uh, you know, if you chat frequently or create many characters, the paid plans add benefits such as unlimited messages, premium AI models, and more. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.